All right, so we're about to do this thing. I'm at the Ocular Prosthetics place. They're gonna do the mold of my eye, and tomorrow afternoon, I'll have a new eye.
Look up for me, please. And when was the last time that you saw Dr. Ng? Was it like a week post-op or a couple days post-op?
And then we did a virtual.
Go ahead and look side to side for me. Good, up and down. Alrighty. Nice motility.
So step one, she's got the conformer out, so my eye should be probably a lot more closed right now. And next she's going to make the mold of my eye, and if they get a really good fit, then it'll apparently move better. So we'll see what happens.
When I do this, I'm going to stand up and I will be off to the side. Wet and weird. We're just going to let this stuff gel. And I think I neglected to tell you that when it sets up like Jell-O.
All right.
As I say, it's same impression material that's used in the dental field. So having experienced that before, it is the same stuff. And I'm just going to touch the excess here to see just about another 10 seconds. I'm going to remove my hand, keep doing what you're doing. It's perfect. And this is going to be set. It's very interesting to me because you can, the texture when it does gel changes. All right, now slip this out, pulling down your lower lid. Voila.
So they just did the impression of my eye. I had heard that it's cold, wet, and weird. I would agree with chilly, cool. I wouldn't go all the way cold. Weird, yeah, because so they are like slowly injecting it, and you can just keep feeling it just kind of build and build and build behind your eyelids. So it's definitely a unique sensation, but absolutely not painful. A little weird when they were taking it out because they have to kind of unsuction it. Once again, not painful, just interesting. I've never had something unsuctioned from there, but everything's going great. So you're working on something, but I can't
tell. What I am doing is I am painting the background iris color. All right, background is great. I need some of that lighter yellow in there. A lot more people out there with a prosthesis than what is realized. So are you familiar at all with the lost wax method of casting?
Makes sense.
So
I used to work in a metal foundry, so casting I got.
It's butane, so this is hotter. And we like this one to heat up the tools. And then this I will end up using a little bit later. In the upper lid, down the lower lid, voila, now right at me. Try to relax as much as possible. Easy for me to say. To your left and straight. A little wiggle, make sure I don't have an air pocket. I'm going to ask you to slip your glasses on, please. We're doing something that a lot of people with monocular vision end up developing over time, and that is you're turning your head ever so slightly.
This is my pre-eye.
Your pre-eye. There you go.
I think it's beautiful.
Get in there. Go sideways, up on the brow. We tuck the little smiley behind the upper eyelid, pull down the lower lid, blink.
How do I look?
You look like you got two eyes in there again.
You're beautiful.
Nice.
How does it feel?
I was just
Well, there's more volume.
Yes.
And I used to wear contacts, so to me it's like, and I wore hard contacts, so it's like that first moment when you put a contact in, that's...
Your blink is good.
Yeah.
Direction of gaze, color.
I love it. Boom.
I think we're good.
I think so.